Reliable backup power starts with properly maintained UPS batteries. Alpine helps extend the life and performance of your power systems with complete battery replacement and installation services, from evaluation through final setup. Our certified technicians deliver nationwide support, combining detailed system analysis with safe, standards-driven installation across a wide range of battery technologies and industries. We handle everything from system assessments and diagnostics to full battery replacements, installation, recycling, and preventative inspections to keep your system running at its best. Working with Alpine means consistent service quality, reduced risk, environmentally responsible battery handling, and proven expertise supporting critical operations across multiple sectors. Visit alpinepower.com to learn more.